The field of artificial intelligence is advancing at an unprecedented pace, with each iteration of models pushing the boundaries of what is possible in natural language, processing, reasoning, and multimodal understanding. xAI's Grok 3 beta stands as a testament to this progress, demonstrating remarkable improvements in computational efficiency, problem-solving ability, and contextual comprehension. The latest release in the Grok series is a significant upgrade, setting new benchmarks across various domains, from competitive mathematics to multimodal tasks. In this video, we will explore Grok 3 beta's capabilities, technological advancements, and implications for the AI landscape. Unmatched compute power and training process. One of the most striking aspects of Grok 3 beta is its training process, which utilizes xAI's Colossus supercluster. Compared to previous models, Grok 3 beta has been trained with 10 times the compute power, allowing for more sophisticated pattern recognition, deeper contextual understanding, and improved efficiency in handling large-scale computations. The increase in compute power has led to notable gains in reasoning ability, making the model more adept at complex problem-solving tasks. By leveraging reinforcement learning techniques, Grok 3 beta has significantly enhanced its multi-step reasoning capabilities. Unlike traditional AI models that often struggle with long-term dependencies and multi-layered logic, Grok 3 beta exhibits an improved ability to self-correct, explore alternative solutions, and refine its responses based on contextual cues. This makes it a highly reliable tool for applications requiring in-depth analysis and problem-solving. Benchmark performance. To gauge its effectiveness, Grok 3 beta has been rigorously tested across a variety of industry-standard benchmarks. The results are impressive, solidifying its position as one of the leading AI models available today. AIME 2025, American Invitational Mathematics Examination. Scoring an astounding 93.3% accuracy, Grok 3 beta demonstrates near human-level competence in solving high-level mathematical problems. This performance is a significant leap forward, as previous iterations struggled with nuanced mathematical reasoning. GPQA, Graduate-Level Professional Question Answering. Achieving an 84.6% accuracy, Grok 3 beta excels in expert-level reasoning tasks, showcasing its ability to engage in complex logical deductions and contextual interpretations. Live Code Bench. With a 79.4% success rate, the model exhibits a strong ability to generate and debug code, making it a valuable asset for software development and programming assistance. MMU, Multimodal Understanding and Reasoning. Scoring 78%, Grok 3 beta demonstrates remarkable proficiency in multimodal comprehension, integrating textual and visual inputs seamlessly for more accurate interpretations. Chatbot Arena ELO score, achieving a 1402 ELO rating. The model ranks among the top AI chatbots, indicating a superior level of conversational fluency, response accuracy, and contextual awareness. 1 million tokens for enhanced understanding. A defining feature of Grok 3 beta is its impressive 1 million token context window, an 8-fold increase over previous iterations. This significant expansion allows the model to process and retain vastly more information, making it exceptionally adept at maintaining coherence in lengthy conversations, tracking evolving discussions, and preserving intricate details over extended interactions. For applications such as legal analysis, research synthesis, and long-form content generation, this enhanced context window is transformative. Legal professionals can analyze complex case law without losing key precedents. Researchers can synthesize vast amounts of data with improved accuracy, and writers can develop intricate narratives without the AI forgetting crucial plot points or stylistic choices. This advancement also reduces the need for repetitive inputs, ensuring smoother and more natural exchanges. Unlike earlier AI models that often struggled with truncation and lost essential details in long discussions, Grok 3 beta excels in maintaining continuity, making it an invaluable tool for users requiring sustained and in-depth engagement. Whether drafting comprehensive reports, analyzing extensive datasets, or facilitating detailed conversations, Grok 3 beta's extended memory and contextual understanding set a new benchmark in AI-driven interactions. New model variants. Recognizing the diverse needs of AI users, XAI has introduced specialized variants of Grok 3 Beta, ensuring that individuals and professionals across different fields can access AI models tailored to their specific requirements. Grok 3 Think. This variant is optimized for deep reasoning tasks, making it ideal for problem-solving scenarios that involve complex logical deductions and multi-step calculations. It is particularly well-suited for domains such as advanced mathematics, legal analysis, and scientific research, where precision and structured thought processes are crucial. Whether tackling intricate equations, analyzing legal precedents, or conducting in-depth theoretical studies, Grok 3 Think provides a powerful cognitive tool. Grok 3 Create. Designed for creative applications, this version of Grok 3 specializes in producing high-quality content, storytelling, and artistic compositions. Writers, marketers, and content creators can use its advanced language generation capabilities to develop compelling narratives, refine their messaging, and enhance creative workflows. From drafting engaging articles to brainstorming innovative advertising campaigns, Grok 3 Create fosters creativity at an advanced level. Grok 3 Code. Geared towards software development, this variant excels in code generation, debugging, and refactoring. It serves as an invaluable assistant for programmers and engineers by streamlining development processes, improving code efficiency, and assisting with complex programming challenges. Implications for AI adoption and industry use. With its advanced reasoning, high accuracy, and extended context handling, Grok 3 Beta has broad applications across multiple industries. 1. Education and academic research. The model's exceptional performance in mathematics and logical reasoning makes it a valuable educational tool. Students and researchers can leverage Grok 3 Beta for solving complex equations, understanding abstract concepts, and engaging in interactive learning experiences. 2. Software development and engineering. The high score in Live Code Bench, 79.4%, indicates that Grok 3 Beta can assist developers in writing efficient code, debugging errors, and even learning new programming languages. Its ability to generate context-aware code snippets makes it an asset for both novice and experienced programmers. 3. Business intelligence and decision-making. Grok 3 Beta's improved contextual awareness and analytical reasoning capabilities make it ideal for processing large datasets, analyzing market trends, and generating actionable insights for businesses. 4. Healthcare and medical research. The model's ability to interpret complex medical literature and provide nuanced insights could revolutionize healthcare by assisting in diagnostic procedures, treatment planning, and biomedical research. 5. Creative writing and content generation. Writers, journalists, and content creators can benefit from Grok 3 Beta's Grok 3 Create variant, which enhances storytelling, script writing, and blog content generation. The future of Grok AI, what comes next? While Grok 3 Beta represents a significant milestone, AI development is an ongoing process, and XAI has ambitious plans for future iterations. Potential areas of improvement include further expanding context. Windows, while 1 million tokens is a significant leap, increasing this further could enhance long-form reasoning and document synthesis capabilities. Improved multimodal integration. Enhancing the model's ability to seamlessly blend textual, auditory, and visual inputs could make it even more powerful for applications like video editing and medical imaging. Greater personalization. Implementing user-adaptive learning mechanisms would allow Grok AI to tailor responses based on individual preferences and interaction history. Ethical AI and bias reduction. Continued refinements in AI ethics and bias mitigation will be crucial in ensuring fair and responsible AI deployment across diverse applications. Grok 3 Beta marks a significant advancement in AI technology, offering unmatched reasoning capabilities a massive context window, and specialized variants tailored to different tasks. With its high benchmark scores and robust computational foundation, it is set to redefine how AI is used in education, research, business, and beyond. As XAI continues to innovate, Grok's future iterations promise even greater breakthroughs, making AI an ever more indispensable tool in our daily lives. Let us know in the comments what you think about Grok 3 Beta and other leading AIs in the market. Do you believe it's a game changer, or are there other models you think stand out? Share your thoughts and let's discuss the future of AI together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on the latest in AI technology. Thanks for watching.